was a great investment and years of experience from Jeff with Nifty Hoops in assembling a properly level, structurally sound greenhouse. It was all in 13 hours from the first post to set the corner to button up the wiring at this juncture, so that was the most impressive part.
Jeff is the man out of Ann Arbor, Michigan. Super happy I found out about the company. They do all the fabrication of the greenhouse as well as do a starter build, so they ship it to you. They come in a rig, typically spend the night, give you an 8-hour day, him and a helper, and get everything set. He's an expert when it comes to site selection and getting things figured out. We're hoping to have 3 of these hoop houses installed. They're 30 wide and 96 feet long. It's 24 feet longer than our longest greenhouse that we had at the other property, so that's a good sign. And hopefully the site will handle 3 to start, which will hopefully put another one up in the fall, or we'll put 1 or 2 of them up next spring, and then it can eventually hold 4, even 5 possibly. I'm super happy with Jeff's energy and passion. He seems like an amazing mentor and someone that's really got his head on straight, so I'm glad we went with it. In the past, we've always bought kits and done it ourselves, learning a lot, not only from his materials on his website, but just also the hands-on experience of being with Jeff, which has been great. This greenhouse, 30 to 40%, the front side of it, on the west side will house all of our seedlings. We don't have a dedicated seedling house at this point. Matter of fact, this is the only time we've ever not had something growing over the winter because of the official full transition from the Kickapoo property. It's game on of, being here full time and having everything going. So this greenhouse is crucial. We're not behind. Typically I get started seeding every year around the first week of February. So we're looking pretty good. There's a possibility we'll be in this thing seeding celery root, some early flowers, some early herbs, doing some hardwood cuttings on Wednesday. Today's Monday, so we're 2 days away from officially kicking off the season. We'll have our first batch of microgreens going. Usually we grow year round, but like I said, we're down. We got to get micros in trays so that we have a fresh flush. So Epiphany, Anju, and the Baker and Pickle can get their micros before Valentine's Day.